What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to video 5 of the Let's Talk series, and today we're going to talk about the fifth very crucial thing of how to be an effective communicator. Make sure that both the parties are on the same page. Now, what do I actually mean by this? A lot of times while communicating, what happens is we are having different opinions, which is bound to happen because humans, we all have our own different brains. We have all through different experiences. So the view or the way we look into a situation might be very different. So a lot of times there might be grounds where you are not parallel, or you guys are not in the same page. What do you do in such a scenario to make it an effective communication? You ask for feedback. Yes, so whenever you are communicating and whenever there is a point that you see there is a little to and fro problem happening there, or whether you guys are going off the track, please ask for a feedback, or please ask where you're going wrong. There's no harm in it. The person in front of the audience in front would be more than happy to let you know of how to get back, or let you understand what they actually mean by this. Now, what will this do is this will have an effective communication between you and your audience, because you both will be on the same page. Now, if someone is speaking here and what you mean is here, there's no parallel grounds here and there's no effective communication happening. You guys have to be at this point, or absolutely as close as possible to that specific topic. So in today's video, the takeaway is ask for feedback. Try to understand what your audience is looking for. Try to speak in the similar lines so that the communication happening there is more effective and efficient in nature. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, don't forget to stay awesome. What's up, you amazing people? Thank you so much for watching this video, and the reason you have invested your precious time in this video is because you are ready. Yes, my friend, you are ready to take yourself from good to greatness and beyond. And if this video has created even a tiny dent, even a tiny bit of positive influence in your life, in your mind, in your body, in your soul today, please share it with the person who needs to see this too. Because I'm here with the mission to amplify positivity, to amplify optimism, to amplify confidence to a larger and a larger audience as possible. And only you can help me do that. Again, thank you for watching this. I'm going to share my Instagram, my LinkedIn, and my Facebook profiles over the descriptions, because I keep on sharing a lot of content over all the other mediums. Thank you so much for investing your time in this video. Again, hit that subscribe button to keep yourself updated to more and more of my amazing content. And again, don't forget to stay awesome. Cheers.